parrots live in tree holes in the jungle. Baby parrots are hatched. Daddy parrot is so happy. Uh-oh, its plumage is soiled from playing in the mud. Let's wash it clean.
Wow!
Let's put on some nice-looking feathers for the parrot.
Wow! Wow!
So pretty.
Wow!
The parrot can copy what we say. Let's watch it perform. I want this. Mango. Mango. Mango.
Wow!
Wow, amazing. I want this. Ball. 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 I want this. Cherry. 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 Wow, amazing. I want this. Orange. 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 I want this.